Now that we know what similar figures are, let's practice identifying whether figures are similar or not. In order to determine whether figures are similar, we need to compare corresponding sides. Sorry about that. The symbol that is just like a little squiggly means similar to. So let's jump into this problem, example 1. We have triangle ABC, and we're wondering if it's similar to triangle DEF. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to look at side AB with side DE, okay? So we're going to look at side 6, and we're going to divide side DE by that. So 6 over 3. And we want to check, is that equal to the other ratio, which would be AC and DF, okay? So AC is 10, DF is 5. We basically want to make sure these ratios are equal to each other, okay? So 6 divided by 3, that gives you 2. 10 divided by 5, that gives you 2. These are equal. Since the ratios of the corresponding sides are equal, the answer is yes. These two triangles are similar. All right, no, that's a little confusing. Let's do a couple more. Example 2. So here we have rectangles, okay? And the question is asking, is rectangle ABCD congruent to similar to rectangle XWYZ? So let's start with AB and compare it to side XW. Okay, and we might need to fill in some numbers here. Remember, opposite sides of rectangles are equal. Okay. So this is 9, this is 15. So I'm going to take side AB, which is 15, divided by side XW, which is 9. And I want to see, does that equal, let's go with CD. I'm sorry, let's go with the other side. So AD, which is 9, divided by the other side of the rectangle, which is WZ, which is 6. All right. So we have 15 divided by 9. That gives us 1.6 repeating. And we're going to see, does that equal 9 divided by 6, which gives us 1.5. Now, although these numbers are pretty close to each other, right, they are not equal to each other. So the ratios of corresponding sides are not equal. Therefore, these two rectangles are not similar. Okay, lastly, we have example 3. And this one is asking, is polygon ABCD similar to polygon EFGH? All right, so here we actually have all 4 side lengths for each shape. So let's just pair them up and make sure they all divide to the same number, okay? So 15 goes with 10. We're going to do 15 divided by 10. We want to make sure that equals 6 goes with 4. So we're going to have 6 divided by 4. We want to make sure that equals 9 and 6. And then our last side pairing is 12 and 8. All right, so let's divide all those out. 15 divided by 10 gives us 1.5. 6 divided by 4 gives us 1.5. 9 divided by 6 gives us 1.5. So this is looking good so far, right? And 12 divided by 8 gives us, shocker, 1.5. So all of these ratios are equal to each other, these two polygons are similar. Our answer is yes. And then we're done.